and their only hope of economic security can come from the enterprise and the initiative of free men. And let this convention declare without shrinking that the source of economic prosperity is freedom. That man must be free to use his own powers in his own way, free to think, free to speak and to worship, free to plan his own life, free to use his own initiative, free to dare in his own adventure. It is the essence of true liberalism that these freedoms are limited by the rights of others. Freedom both requires and makes for increased responsibility. And there is no freedom from exploitation of the weak or from the dead hand of bureaucracy. There's something vastly bigger than payrolls, than economics, than materialism or at issue in this campaign. The free spirit of men is the source of self-respect, of sturdiness, and of moral and spiritual progress. With inspirations of freedom alone come fidelity to public trust, to honor and to morals in government. The social order does not rest on the body of the people. Fundamental American liberties are at stake now. Is the Republican Party ready for that issue? Are you willing to cast your all upon that issue, or would you falter and look back? Will you, for expediency's sake, also offer will-o-wisp which beguile the people? Or have you determined to enter upon a holy crusade for freedom that shall determine the future and the perpetuity of a nation of free men?